Yeah, the ball bundle.
Okay. Alright guys, welcome to day 7 of our sourdough starter from scratch. If you've been with us this far, we've been taking flour and water and essentially making our own sourdough starter. It's that simple. It's taken about 7 days. We've gotten some really nice activity. Now is the final day. We're going to vary up the recipe just a little bit. We're going to be putting in 50 grams before we were doing 75, and we're still going to keep that 50-50 mix of rye and all-purpose flour, but instead of 115 grams of water, we're just going to reduce that down to about 100 grams of water. So that's it. If after you feed your starter, if you want to put it away, you're not going to bake with it right away, I would take it and put it in the fridge after a couple hours being out and just kind of letting it feed on the yeast. But if you are ready to bake with it, you can take this leftover starter from the inside of this canister what you have right here and use it to start a levain. You can use it to, instead of discarding it, to make popovers if it's in the morning, or focaccia or pizza dough. The possibilities are really endless. I'm going to be doing some videos on making some of that stuff. We're going to start out, I pre-measured my flour with 50 grams of rye flour and 50 grams of all-purpose. So we'll throw that in there. So we got our 50 grams of all-purpose flour. We're going to tear that down to 0 again. 50 grams of rye flour. Again, if you guys don't have rye flour, you guys can use whole wheat flour. If you do have rye flour, but say you don't always want to feed it rye flour, you guys can start feeding it whatever flour you want after this process. The rye flour is just really to get the fermentation started and going. And once you do that, you guys can kind of put on whatever your taste preferences are. So, all right, we got all our flour in there. Now we're gonna throw 50 grams of our starter. It's got that kind of like sweeter, vinegary smell. I'm just gonna take, I don't know where my chopstick went. I'm just gonna grab my chopstick and we're gonna stir this mixture down. Okay, good work. And then we can just, again, keep this if we want to use it, set it aside, throw it in your fridge. All right guys, so now that we have our starter in there, we have our flour, let's add our 100 grams of water. So I'm going to tear the scale out again to 0, and we're going to go to 100. Take my handy dandy chopstick and we're just going to incorporate that and stir that up. Alright, then we're just going to throw our lid on. Make sure it's not too tight. Take our label, transfer it over. And that's really it, guys. So I hope you guys had fun, followed along with this. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comments below. I will do my best to answer them. If you guys like this video, let me know. And subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'm going to be doing a few more. We're going to be making some bread with this thing. We're going to be having a good time. All right. See you guys next time.